What did you say?
Thomas, the dragon!
Sorry, I still didn't hear you.
The dragon, Thomas! I said the dragon!
Dragon?
That's right, Thomas. Usually, I take the dragon to the big square. But as you're a guest on our railway, I think you should have the honor.
Me? Take the dragon? But don't dragons breathe out smoke and fire? The more I thought about the dragon, the more I started to worry that there might be one around every corner.
Boom! Ah! See you later, Thomas!
What's that? A dragon! No! Oh, you're not a dragon.
What dragon?
A talking chicken.
What did you say?
Oh, Hong Mei. I thought... Oh, dear. Young Bao wants me to take a dragon to the New Year party.
Ah, wow. That is amazing. The dragon is big and noisy. You're so lucky.
I didn't feel lucky. I couldn't stop worrying about the dragon. I imagined something big and loud and scary.
Thomas? Boo!
Ah!
What is it, Thomas? What's wrong?
I really don't want to pull the dragon.
What? But...
Thank you. I'm sure it is a big honor. But will you pull the dragon, Young Bao?
Oh, okay. I guess I can take the dragon. And you can take the lion!
Oh, okay. Thanks. Lion? What lion?